Something is wrong with my alternator. What do you think it is? Study by Bowdish. There's a current tracer. Here's a signal tracer, current tracer, and that's the signal I'm getting. Okay, moving it from this one to this one. Tracer on there. Reading from the source back to the source. If there's a break between the source, it doesn't read anything. Not reading anything. Tracer. Battery setup. There and there. Current tracer or signal tracer, kind of like current. Here, hold that. Okay. Definitely read a trace there. Okay, hold that. Not reading anything there. Study by Bowdish. Okay. There's a tracer. Set up with the battery. Right there. Reading a reading. Here. You got it? Okay. Reading a reading. Definitely reading a reading. Wrap around the wire. tracer. Up like that. Signal is gone. Yeah. There's a clamp around the wire. And the signal is gone. Wrap around the wire. The signal is gone. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're not working. Okay. Come on. See the wire down there. Why is there any kind of current on that? Why is there anything on there at all? It's only a little bit, but it's something. Why is it there?